and they're off. Early is taken by Santiago and Pivotal on the outside. And moving up in between horses is Katmay. It's Katmay, and moving up on the inside is Santiago. And heading for the backstretch, Santiago. And Katmay moving up on the outside, and My Chic and Pivotal on the further outside. And into the backstretch, it's Santiago in the lead, followed by Katmay in second, and Pivotal running in third, and by the rail is My Chic and Bombardier on the further outside, and Blitzkrieg moving up on the inside, and Doña Erica Words of Joy. And nearing the far turn, it's now Pivotal in the lead. It's Pivotal and moving up by the rail, Santiago and Katmay. And moving up on the further outside is Doña Erica. But it's still Pivotal in the lead. It's Pivotal followed by Katmay and Santiago by the rail. My Chic moving up in between horses. The lead is taken over once again by Santiago. It's Santiago in the lead, followed by Katmay in second, and My Chic moving up on the inside, and Pivotal, Doña Erica, and Blitzkrieg moving up on the inside. And at the last bend for home, it's now My Chic in the lead. And into the home stretch, it's My Chic, Santiago, and Blitzkrieg, Katmay, and Doña Erica on the further outside. And nearing the payoff line, it is still My Chic, entry number 4, Katmay, and Blitzkrieg. And finally, at the payoff line, it's My Chic, Katmay, Doña Erica, Blitzkrieg, Pivotal, Santiago, Bombardier, Smarty Pants, Words of Joy.